Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Box Cloud Storage using SSO and MFA, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Box login page. Click on the single sign-on option. Enter your organization's email address. Click on the Continue button. You will be redirected to your organization's identity provider page. Input your credentials for the identity provider. Complete any required security questions or CAPTCHA verifications. Once logged in, you may be prompted to set up multi-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your MFA method. This may involve receiving a code via SMS or an authentication app. Enter the code provided to complete the MFA setup. After completing MFA, you will return to the Box interface. Check your Box account to ensure you have access to your files. Adjust any application settings as necessary for your needs. If you have trouble, consult your IT support team for additional assistance. Review the security settings in Box to ensure optimal protection of your data. Familiarize yourself with Box's features to maximize your storage experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.